Hi, welcome to Programming with Java or João. Okay. In this series of video tutorials, I'm going to get you up and running in programming using Java. We will start with setting up your system so that you can compile and run a Java program. Once that is done, we will write our first program, compiling it and running it. In the video tutorials following this one, we will look at the fundamentals in Java programming, and we will cover the following and other topics as we come to them. We will be covering data types, operators, statements, classes and objects, inheritance, arrays, and many other topics as we go through the tutorial. So this is an entry-level course in Java programming. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you at the first lesson.